Oh, so Ashumsy, I saw your response yesterday. You have deleted it. Why sure it? Don't worry. It was on the blog. It's all over Twitter, right? You said, "Oh, very dark pig. Please shut up. You have been seeking my attention for months. Now you have it. The last thing I wanted was to ever reply you. Ew. Enjoy my 2 minute attention, disrespectful pig." Wow, I be pig now. Because I call you out, say you owe person money, may you pay person 1 million. In hard-earned money where I give you to advertising business. I don't turn pig. No problem. This is my very last post on this. Last, yes. The vendor in question made me feel super comfortable chatting with him. That's why I went ahead to send those silly messages, which I have admitted was wrong because I should not mix business with pleasure. Wait, I don't understand. What do you mean by it made you feel comfortable? Ashumsy, wait. How many business are you into? Made you feel comfortable? How many customers have you felt comfortable with in the past? I don't understand. Made you feel the vendor. Wait. The vendor in question made me feel super comfortable chatting with him. That's why I went ahead to send those silly messages, which I admitted was wrong because I should not mix business with pleasure. How many times have you mixed business with pleasure? Is it that all these people that give you influencing job, when they knock them? Now me say all this rumor, oh, they hear say all these people that they knock now money now they are to they say. Like say no be lie you. Because you see, just one call out what I call you make people see money. See where you don't talk go. You don't talk rich where they cast yourself. Do you understand? You should not mix business with pleasure. So how many occasions have you mixed business with pleasure? I know I'm a disrespectful pig. Thank you for calling me a pig. No problem. Just keep on calling me a pig. So far say you pay the people where you hold, I will be a pig for life. I am a pig. No problem, I'm a pig. But now, that's number one. Number two, there's another money you need to pay. You understand? And now, today, I'll make them write my petition. Thank God, IG don't say make I bring any petition. You understand? This one, be say I'm going to give you like few hours to pay that money. If you don't pay, no problem. No problem. People like say they do internet fraud. Now, 2020, you collected money from someone, right? Oh boy, this guy, don't tell where they do this work, oh. You don't tell where they do this work, oh. Now, let's start. 2020, this is your message. Somebody paid you. This is the receipt. The person paid you on the 22nd of July 2020 for a class. The person paid you 73 euros. That time it was converted, it was 30,000 naira. The person paid you 73 euros for a class that you say you are teaching how to sell hair, how to do this, how to do that. After payment, you said, oh, after a while, you did not respond to the person. The person sent you a message and say, oh, the class, I will do one-on-one with you. Laugh out loud. Which lied? Not at all. I'll teach you and show you all about the business one-on-one. Just me and you, not group chat. Teach you about her. Give your contact. Give you contact. Set your page up for you. etc. The lady said thanks. You understand? Now, after again, you now came back to this lady. After a while, where the lady disturbed you, you now came back again on the 19th. Again, to tell the lady that money is not enough. That this one, that one, this one, that one. The lady now sent you another money again. You now said the lady should add more money. See when she sent the other one. She sent it on the 6th of November 2020. When you told her to add more money, she sent you 59 euros. Do you understand? She now sent you 59 euros. Again, no class. You understand? Now, fast forward to 2021, the lady kept on trying to reach out to you. Say, please, babe, if you think you can't take the class, with me, kindly tell me so I forget about it, instead of promising me and not showing up. Then you sent her this voice note.
My dear, good afternoon. Oh, I'm sorry. God of mercy. I'm so sorry. I scrapped this one-on-one class. I scrapped it. We had to cut it off because I figured I had too much on my table, too much of things to do, and there was not even time for it. There was not even time because, you know, I have to shoot my skits, shoot my videos, do my advert, my hair business, magic revive, a lot to do, a whole lot. So I even forget.
So when you know you have a lot to do, Magic Revive, this one, your business, you have to show skills. Why did you collect money from people that you want to do a class? Do you understand? Why would you collect money from people and see the amount where she go collect? She go collect 30,000, 60,000 for different people. Where we say, okay, if they drag you finish, they go forget about the money. But this one is not willing to let go. And you have to pay this money. Cut the long story short, the lady kept on texting you. You refused to respond. At a point, the lady got fed up and she said she sent you an account number, which is here. You did not respond to her again. Do you understand? Since 2020, you dey hold this woman 73 euros plus 50 something euros. That's about 1,200, I 1,400 euros or 1,300. I'm not going with maths. And you they call me pig? And you they call me pig? You they call me pig? No problem. I am a pig. But please, Ashumsy, I want to beg you, I beg. They don't come report to pig. Now pig language they tell me say you the owe money. Please try and refund this lady her money. You understand? And whoever again you don't collect, maybe the other people no get way to cry. Come. Imagine collecting 60,000 from over 1,000 of your followers. That time when you advertise that thing. Imagine collecting that amount from over 1,000 people, bro. 30,000 by 1,000. You know what be that? Oh, but this influencer so that they, hey, I'll remain a pig, but you will learn, and you will learn the hard way. Don't play.
My people, una don't see another one. At the same this Ashumsy, you know, she didn't start this today. It has been a while. This happened in the year 2021. Meanwhile, we are in 2024. It was when the young girl saw that VDM have helped someone else to recover his 1 million naira. That was when she did meet necessary to contact VDM to see, okay, look at what is happening. The same this Ashumsy girl. And she collected money for an online class in the year 2021. And after collecting money from different people, it later it has come to the notice of VDM, and VDM now publicizes that she did not let her hold that class, that people paid for it. And one girl was asking and demanding for her payment back and why the class will have not been held according to the promise she made publicly. The video you just watched was the response of Ashumsy to the client. Now, come and look. Let's just think of this. How is it that, that's why I'm not always interested in all these online things of a thing. Hey, come online, like I prefer going to YouTube channel to watch it and get exactly what I want than following you online to say online business, online classes, and I can never indulge myself in an online class. That is it. I prefer going to YouTube channel, browse about whatever I want to, but everything you want to learn in this life is online. Yeah. Bear it even something in your school that you want to learn any calculation, you can browse about it online and you will get to know whatever you want to know and you will scot free with it. Yes, they say knowledge is power. So if you've not been making use of your YouTube, that you only use your YouTube to just watch films, you are wasting your time, my dear. Anything you want to learn online, anything you want to learn from anybody is in YouTube there. People are creating content every day. People are creating realities and they are posting it out there. Bear it in YouTube, in Chrome, anywhere you go, people's websites. You can find whatever you want to learn online as well. Just make use of your Google, make use of your search engines and get the right facts that you want. Just at the comfort of your zone without spending any dime. You want to learn how to edit, they are all over the internet. Any kinds of editing app you want, you can see them online. Now, what do you want to teach these people? Is it how to make money? Is it how to edit? Is it how to be a blogger or how to make money online or whatever you want it? It's online there. People are giving it out for free for crying out loud. Now look at now. This girl have already condemned her face. The first time she came to apologize, and this is the second one. This thing happened in 2021. Now, what face is she use? Will she use to come outside and say, "I am sorry," as she did yesterday? Will she be able to come outside again and admit her fault? Not this alone. She gave the money to the owner, and she still have the guts to come to VDM to talk trash about him. To still talk to VDM. I hate you, this and that, for crying out loud. Eh? All these celebrities now, wow, now so I take them make una money. collecting from different peoples.
My brother, we have
Imagine
met
that
all this
30,000. Now school fees they pay.
carry go.
Online class
We
of
know
just
the
few
next
hours. Now
thing.
you they collect 30 by.
No problem.
30,000 is
Even
even
there's
more
no
than
that
school
they
fees
never
of a
sit
child
down
for
talk
one term in
about,
Nigeria.
I love
And you are
you,
collecting it.
just
Are they
friends.
registering for WAEC?
This is the case of
No? Are you
Ikema.
going to give them the
Just sit
discharge
down for home.
certificates?
Anything that happens, we know.
Now,
We
wow,
only
my
be
country people,
protesting in
things happen
this
for this
very
country
dark
called
night.
Nigeria. Don't
Nothing
forget
much.
to
And I
subscribe.
heard it that I
Please
had to
make your
sit and
comment
send
to
you
be
this
mean,
statement at very
just
dark
very
night
tiny
this morning.
comment. Remember to
This
follow the
is
community
the
guidelines when dropping your
rebellious
comment.
video that
There
has
is
been
no
posted
violence
ever
zone here.
since he
You
was
can air your
released.
view, your point
And he said that he's
peacefully.
not stopping,
Thank you.
no,
Don't forget to
that
subscribe.
he's taking this
Turn on
case
the
to
notification
another
button and
level.
stay tuned for more
That he will not
entertainment
stop
Niger
except
latest
Bobrisky
updates.
is
Chrissy
arrested.
TV got you
And
covered.
jailed
I
for
love
very
you
good
all.
years.